everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about why does your business needs a virtual data. In today's digital age, data is a lifeblood of business operations. The ability to securely manage and exchange sensitive information is crucial whether you're involved in mergers and acquisitions, fundraising, legal proceedings, or other critical business activities. Data security and confidentiality. The cornerstone of any successful business is the protection of sensitive data. Leaders are purpose-built to ensure the highest level of data security and confidentiality. Encryption. Leaders use robust data encryption protocols to safeguard data during transmission and storage. This means that even if unauthorized parties gain access to the data, they won't be able to decipher it without the encryption keys. Access controls. Advanced access controls enables businesses to specify who can access which documents and for how long. This ensures that only authorized individuals can view, download, or edit confidential information. Audit trails. Leaders maintain comprehensive audit trails, providing a detailed history of document access and changes made. This transparency not only enhances security but also facilitates compliance with data protection regulations. Streamlined document management. Managing documents, particularly in a traditional physical format, can be cumbersome and error-prone. Videos offer a centralized and efficient solution for documents management. Organization and indexing. Videos enable organizations to categorize, label, and index documents in a logical and structured manner. This makes it easy to quickly locate specific files when needed. Document version control. Version control features ensure that only the latest and most accurate versions of documents are accessible, minimizing the risk of errors and confusion. User-friendly interfaces. Modern video interfaces are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, reducing the learning curve for users and ensuring efficient navigations. Facilitating of mergers and acquisitions. Mergers and acquisitions are complex, time-sensitive transactions that rely heavily on the secure exchange of sensitive documents and information. Due diligence efficiency. Due diligence efficiency processes M&A involves an extensive review of financial, legal, operation documents. Collaboration tools. Real-time collaboration tools features such as document commenting and editing. Secure communication. Virtual data provides a secure platform for all communication related to M&A deals. That's all for today. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you so much, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.